Hey everyone, this is Kevflex421 with a review and installation of the iCarbons black carbon fiber skin for the MacBook Pro. And I got this in the mail, and it comes with the front, the back, the inside, and also comes with two options for the Apple. So let's go ahead and open up this package. Okay, so we have all pieces of the iCarbon skin available. We have the bottom of the iCarbon skin, the inside that goes around the keyboard, and the top. The package also comes with two options, the white carbon fiber or the red carbon fiber, which will go over the Apple in the middle. Let's go ahead and start installing the top. Get the top of the iCarbon skin and remove it from the adhesive layer. Take the adhesive layer, fold it in half. Then, take some scissors and cut it in half. Now, you'll want to take both of the pieces and put it on both sides of the skin where the adhesive layer is. So the only part that is exposed is the Apple. This will allow you to easily move around the iCarbon skin and line up the Apple first before actually laying down the rest of the skin. You'll want to line up the Apple in the middle first. You also want to make sure that all sides are lined up. Here and here. When it looks pretty much lined up, go ahead and push down, adhering the skin to the MacBook. Then take one side, take off the adhesive layer, and start laying it down onto the MacBook, working your fingers from the inside to the outside of the MacBook, making sure the skin is laid down smooth. When that part's done, go to the other side, take off the adhesive layer and do the same thing, making sure you work your way to the edges with your fingers so there's no area that is wrinkled. As you can see, the iCarbon skin looks really great on the top of the MacBook. The edges don't fully go down and fit perfectly, but we'll cover that later by using a blow dryer. To install the back of the MacBook Pro, take off the skin from the adhesive layer and lay it down on the MacBook Pro, lining up the hinge and the feet pad. Make sure the adhesive layer is facing up so you're not adhering it to the MacBook quite yet. Next, take your adhesive layer and cover only a portion. Next, flip it over and adhere that portion to the MacBook, making sure that you're still lining it up properly. sure you have the ends lined up and also the trimming around the edges. Like the front, the skin will still be a little bit wavy, especially on the edges right here. Later we'll show you how to use a blow dryer to smoothen that out. Next, fold the skin back, take off the adhesive layer, and use your fingers to evenly smooth out the skin as you're applying it to the back of the MacBook. To install the keyboard portion of the skin, remove the skin from the backing and line up the mouse pad first. Then work your way to the edges, making sure that the skin is smooth. Then, on the edges, on the other side, do the same thing. Some of you may be wondering why the apple doesn't fit completely into the apple outline. This is because iCarbons has made the apple so that the middle of it is red and it has an outline around it that will light up. So it kind of looks like this when it's turned on. It looks better in person when the light is shining through the edges. It kind of gives a nice white and light outline to it, which makes it look a lot better as if it was actually filled in completely. To fix the sides, you want to make sure that you lift up each side and then take a blow dryer and blow dry the sides until it's warm. This will expand the skin and allow it to easily go down smoothly without any wrinkles. Keep doing that to each side until every side has been successfully adhered to the MacBook without any of the wrinkles. As you can see here, this side really isn't going down too well. There's still a little bit of wrinkles right over here that won't allow it to fully adhere to the MacBook. So let's go ahead and lift that tab up and heat it. The iCarbons MacBook Pro 13-inch black carbon fiber skin looks really good. The skin provides superior scratch protection and is made of the premium 3M material that ensures your product is the highest quality. Installation was extremely easy and is bubble hassle free. You do have to require a blow dryer or a low heat gun for the edges, or else the edges will show a little bit of wrinkling. This is an easy fix and can be done at any time. iCarbons has this unique 3D look and feel to the carbon fiber line that makes your gadget looking professional and sleek. Removal and reapplication of the skin is easy and hassle-free, leaving no residue on your gadget or the skin. iCarbons products hides fingerprints and can easily be cleaned with soap and water.
During installation, do not be alarmed that your apple does not fit exactly into the apple area of the MacBook. It may seem a little small for the area, but this is how it's supposed to be. The reason why is because when you open this up, it's going to have a somewhat of an outline and an aura around it for the light to shine through. It also shines through a little bit from the skin itself, giving a nice red glow to it. This looks really nice. Just be sure that you line up the apple in the middle. So check out iCarbons' website at www.icarbons.com. Check out my blog, follow me on Twitter, and please subscribe to my channel for some other great reviews. Hope you guys like this, and I'll see you later.